Hey guys, I want to get on here and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. It's been a long day and a lot going on here in Atlanta. The skies are blue. I see the leaves are just perfectly green. And I got to thinking earlier, I said, I need to do a video. And I don't plan a lot of my videos like a lot of YouTubers. I do it from the heart. I do it when I feel like it. I do it when I feel inspired and I want to inspire you. I want to give you a daily dose to make you feel good and make you feel happy and give you nothing but positive. Today I was sitting and I was doing my makeup and I was getting ready for the day and I had my teeth cleaned today. Can you tell? And I was a little concerned about going because I haven't been out. In fact, this Saturday was 9 weeks that we have not been around people. We've always had our mask on if anyone come to our office, or we were just trying to make each day just be very safe because we don't know what's how we can, well, we know that we have to have masks on. We know that because if you have a mask on, you prevent that person from getting any kind of germ or whatever, and those people, they prevent it, so we know that. But I went and got my teeth done to have them cleaned today, and they were so professional, which is a good thing. And I just sort of said my little prayers before I went and did anything today. I had my mask on. Like I said, very professional to get my teeth clean. So if you go out, be sure to wear a mask until they tell us that we don't need to wear a mask. This is my opinion. You may not agree with me, which is fine. But I think we all need to have a mask. We need to be very conscious of what could be around us. Be sure to wash your hands, and just try not to take things for granted. I know I'm rambling right now, but I just really feel like as we get older and we need to take care of ourselves. Nobody's going to take care of us but us. And I know a lot of the younger generations thinks, oh, I'm not going to get it, I'm not going to have a problem with it. But you never know. So if you're younger, and just be cautious, have common sense, wash your hands, like I said 1,000 times I've said on these videos. So I don't know what the purpose of this video is other than to tell you I love you. I appreciate you. I appreciate your sweetness and your kindness and all the sweet emails and text and amazing. I know I don't have as many views a lot on my channel as a lot of people, but I'm almost at 600,000 views, and I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So it means a lot to me. So that being said, I just want to give you a daily dose of happy, and let you know that I love you. I appreciate you, and my channel is just here for just making you as happy as you possibly can and be kind to you as much as possible. Kindness is the key. So until tomorrow, don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And be kind. Be kinder than they are. I love you. Until tomorrow.